Welcome back to UK Rides. The John Deere 6250R is a powerful and versatile tractor designed for a variety of agricultural applications, particularly known for its exceptional performance during transport. With a robust engine delivering 250 horsepower, this model ensures that farmers can handle heavy loads and maintain efficiency on the field. One of the standout features of the 6250R is its intelligent power management system, which optimizes engine output for transport operations, providing an extra boost when needed without compromising fuel efficiency. When it comes to transport drive, the 6250R offers advanced transmission options, including the auto power or command quad transmission. These allow for smooth acceleration and deceleration, making it easier to navigate through various terrains. The tractor is equipped with a top speed of around 40 km/h, allowing it to cover large distances quickly and effectively. This is especially important for farmers who need to move between fields or transport equipment and materials. The cab of the 6250R is designed for operator comfort and visibility, featuring ergonomic controls and a spacious layout. This enhances productivity during long transport sessions, allowing the operator to remain focused and comfortable. Additionally, the tractor's suspension system helps to absorb shocks from uneven surfaces, ensuring a smoother ride and reducing operator fatigue. Another critical aspect of the 6250R's transport capabilities is its compatibility with various implements and attachments. Whether hauling trailers or towing equipment, the tractor's hitching system is designed for quick and secure connections, making it adaptable to different farming needs. The integrated hydraulic system provides the necessary power to operate various attachments, enhancing versatility on the job. Moreover, the 6250R comes equipped with modern technology, including GPS and precision agriculture features. These tools help farmers optimize their transport routes, monitor load weights, and track fuel consumption, leading to better resource management and increased efficiency. In summary, the John Deere 6250R excels in transport drive through its powerful engine, advanced transmission options, and comfortable cab design. Its ability to handle heavy loads while maintaining speed and efficiency makes it an ideal choice for farmers looking to improve their operational capabilities. With its combination of power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, the 6250R stands out as a reliable partner in modern agriculture. Whether in the field or on the road, this tractor is built to perform, ensuring that agricultural tasks are completed efficiently and effectively.